how to change Apple ID, country, and region. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on your name. You will then see the country and region option there. Tap on that and further tap on the change country or region option you see there. Now go ahead and select the country and region you want to change into and tap on that. You will then be shown with the terms and conditions page. Tap on the agree option on the top right of your screen and further select a payment method and further enter your card details. Next, enter your billing name and billing address, and once completed, tap on next on the top right of your screen, and with this your country or region will be changed. So this is how you can change Apple ID country and region. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.